doing? Superstar.
Yeah man, this is the way we look for Blue Mountain coffee. Get the real authentic taste. And use the coconut tonight.
General.
Yeah? I'll show you what.
Smell it.
What are you doing now?
Yeah, I'm roasting some coffee, you know?
Okay.
Yeah man.
Alright, there you go.
You know that people right over the world, they love this coffee.
And you put the coconut in it?
Yeah, the coconut bring the flavour.
Nice.
Yeah man. Yeah man, when you roast it this way, that's how you get that special taste out of it, you know? The real aroma. You realize how the coffee nice? So I'm glad for the support, you know? Yeah, I'm glad you guys can find me and support me, you know?
What's the company name?
Middleton.
Middleton, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're a farming community, you know?
That is
Most
it.
of the people in there, they
Blue
live on
Mountain.
farming.
Okay.
Yes, man.
But it's been a long road, you know? Long time. Over 40 years now. I've been doing
Sounds
it.
like it could be a family business.
Yeah, man. I used to sell it to dealers, but I wasn't getting any money for it. Couldn't take care of me and my family, you know? So I have to come now and doing it for myself this way.
Hey, no, more power to you.
Yeah, man. Everybody loves it.
So let's show where we are today. Middleton Cafe Bar. Here we are. So just give us a call, Onestop Cultural Tours, Jamaica, and we'll take you here. What is there not